Yo! What up? We're back with another sneaker unboxing. Sneakers app W, they've been blessing me. It's a really controversial shoe for sure, because not a lot of people like fives, but the colorway you cannot beat. And I really don't understand why they'd be giving women's releases the best colorways. So obviously, it's a Jordan 5 box. I got my size, but I don't know if I'm gonna like them. Alright, my camera's looking clear. Up. Let's see. There we go. Wow. That suede is pretty nice, I can't lie. Look at that. Clean. I love the smell of new Jordans. Look at that. The material, bro. Wow. They really did their job on this pair. It's really nice. Is that how Jordan 5s are? Like, the one side is bigger than the other? What the fuck is that shit? I'm not a 5s person too, but I would wear these. Holy, these are clean. There you go. Yeah, these are really clean. I'm shocked. The suede all on the top, normal mesh right here, and a little bit of icy bottom there and there. Metallic, I guess, silver, right there, and then a normal different type of gray right here. The inside is like a satin. Yeah, it's a satin for sure. Look at that. Yeah. This shoe's not really that much over resale right now. It's like $280, I think, $270. But I definitely think these will go up. Probably around like the $300, $350 range. This is a really clean shoe. I'm gonna just hold them in the collection. Fuck, dude, my camera's always blurry. I'm gonna hold them in the collection and see if they go up. I probably won't wear them. I'm on a $5 guy. But if I was, these would probably be the first pair I would wear. It's really clean. Nothing really else to it in these shoes. Suede all around, normal materials on every Jordan 5 besides those ugly shattered backboards that came out recently. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this shoe in the comments below. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe because I would really appreciate that. And yeah, the Jordan 5 Bluebird, whatever you call it. Yeah, Bluebird, Ice Blue, whatever, women's Jordan 5. Yep. Peace.